Hello students, welcome to on my YouTube channel. In today's class we will solve chapter number 9 soil. Soil के बारे में हमने हमारी पिछली क्लास में रीड किया था, तो आज हम इस चैप्टर के MCQ करेंगे. Which one of the following is a step in the formation of soil? Soil के formation में कौन सा step है? Earthquakes or volcanic eruption, weathering of rocks, addition of humus, all are involved in the formation of soil. फॉर्मेशन मतलब उसका फॉर्मेट जो चेंज हो जाता है वो इन सभी की वजह से होता है. मतलब अर्थक्वेक हो जाते हैं, वेदरिंग ऑफ रॉक्स टूटती हैं, एडिशन ऑफ ह्यूमस तापमान में बढ़ावा, ये सब चीज़ें क्या है फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सोइल चेंज कर देती हैं. इन विच हॉरिजन ऑफ सोइल मिनरल्स आर फाउंड? कौन सी सोइल टाइप में हॉरिजन मिनरल जो मिलते हैं, दैट इज इन बी. Which physical property of soil is important to us? Texture, water holding capacity, both of these, none of these. Then both of these मतलब texture and water holding capacity दोनों ही हमारे लिए important हैं. Which of the following type of soil will form a colloidal solution when suspended in water? Clay, silt, sand and gravel. तो कौन सा है? Clay. Which factor influence soil formation? Climate, vegetation, parent rock, all of these. तो ये सभी फैक्टर हैं जो इन्फ्लुएंस पैदा करते हैं सोइल में. The proportion of sand, silt and clay in a soil sample determines structure, texture, nutrient potential, fertility level. तो ये क्या है? texture. The microorganisms present in the soil require moisture and nutrients for the growth and survival. Choose from the option below the habitat where the soil has plenty of water and nutrients. तो then forest में सबसे ज़्यादा soil को water and nutrients मिलते हैं. Availability of water and mineral in the soil for maximum observation by roots is the क्या है वो? ए हॉरिजन मतलब ए टाइप के जो हॉरिजन है वो होते हैं. 9. सोयल कन्वर्सेशन मेजर आर मेयरली एम्ड एट प्रोटेक्टिंग विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? टॉप सोयल. तो सोयल कन्वर्सेशन जो मेजरमेंट है वो टॉप सोयल को प्रोटेक्ट करती है. रीड द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट विद रेफरेंस टू सोयल. वेदरिंग इज अ वेरी फास्ट प्रोसेस ऑफ सोयल फॉर्मेशन. Percolation of water is faster in sandy soil. Loamy soil contain only sand and clay. Topsoil contain maximum amount of humus. तो कौन कौन सी रेफरेंस है? Percolation of water is faster in sandy soil and topsoil contains maximum amount of humus. These are related to the soil. Next है phylum. Soil is formed by dash of rocks, gathering of rocks. A dark soil is usually rich in organic matter and humus. उसमें organic matter जो ज़्यादा होती है dark soil में. The physiochemical active portion of soil is topsoil. Soil erosion can be stopped by plantation. Plants लगा के हम soil का जो खुरना होता है उसे रोक सकते हैं. Erosion involve movement of dash from one place to other. Soil की movement होती है एक place से दूसरी place तक. Soil is different types: clay, loamy and sandy. Dash is a section through different layers of soil. Soil profile. Dash is used to make pots, toys and statues. That is clay soil. Next is write T for true and F for false. Upper portion of soil always contain air. True. Percolation rate of water is highest in the clay soil and least in the sandy soil. This is false. Clay and loam are suitable for growing wheat, gram and paddy. The clay और loam soil जो होती हैं that are best होती हैं, suitable होती हैं for the wheat, gram and paddy. Cotton is grown in sandy soil, loam soil. That is true. Capacity to hold water is more in sandy soil than clay soil. This is false. Clay soil में ज़्यादा capacity रहती है. Clay soil is used for making pots, toys and statues. That is true. Erosion of soil is more severe in area of high vegetation. That is false. Polythenes, bags and plastic pollute the soil. This is true.